So let's talk about something that a lot of people don't pay enough attention to in large organizations. Something that we know but we don't seem to believe. And that is a concept called technical debt or tech debt. All software kind of rots and gets neglected. You take a lot of shortcuts and you don't do things well for short-term gains, just like a debt, a loan. You're getting something today and assuming you're going to pay it off tomorrow. You're building up obligations in the future. Unfortunately, what ends up happening is people forget to, or they just outright neglect fixing those things. Your staff comes and goes, people forget things, it wasn't documented well, and as years go by, the technology also ages, and you're losing the potential to use newer technologies. You see this at banks a lot, who have to re-put in a centralized platform so they can take advantage of new frameworks and new ways of doing things. So what you really do need to do is spend a lot of time paying down and gardening that tech debt. Now this is a job that enterprise architects in particular should do, since they have a portfolio view of things. And just like you would any set of investments or any set of sort of assets that you have, you really need to spend a lot of time gardening that debt across the whole portfolio, balancing it out and making strategic decisions about what to do. You really have to belly up as an executive to the idea that you're going to spend time managing that technical debt instead of an end user feature or something that has a very short-term gain. The way that debt is going to come due is you're going to be at a standstill. You won't be able to evolve your business, things will be frozen, and you won't be able to adapt and change. You won't be able to chase new business opportunities that you have. And people will be asking why your software is so old and why it's slowing down the business. So if you want to learn more about how to deal with tech debt, you can go to Cote.pizza. You can download a couple of free books there, in particular, The Business Bottleneck, that addresses how to think at the strategic level.